Zeppelins have had a bad reputation ever since the Hindenburg disaster, when the airship caught fire in New Jersey in 1937, killing dozens. So you might be surprised to hear that scientists want them to make a comeback. Researchers from the International Institute for Applied Systems Analysis think modern versions will be safer. They propose an airship that's 10 times bigger than the Hindenburg, or 5 times as long as the Empire State Building's height, and could carry 20,000 tons of cargo. Researchers hope Zeppelins could be a sustainable way to ship cargo, rather than using cargo ships that are harmful to the environment, since the new versions would mostly be powered by strong winds known as polar jet streams. They say the hydrogen-based airship would be fully autonomous, so no actual humans would be on board in case of an accident, while modern tech and sensors could cut down on the amount of risks. But there are obvious hurdles to making this a reality, like government regulations, airship design, and getting people behind it. Their paper was published in the journal Energy Conversion and Management X.